Senior counsel, you can sit.
I've made this statement, my lord. I have not brought and recorded this certificate with
Without that, we can't consider your case.
my lord. Then that has already taken note of the fact that we are the diploma holders, my lord.
Correct, but we want to see how in one of
Das's case itself, my lord, would clarify that entire confusion. Section 2H of the AICT Act, my lord, it defines, my lord, the institutions that are there. If I may be permitted to place that, because that has been taken note in Bharati Das's case. Technical institutions.
no Bare Act for AICT.
It is, my lord, in that compilation alone, my lord would find that at page 337 of. It is just two provisions of this act, my lord, and one provision of this act, my lord, and UGC Act that would clarify the entire issue that is there before, my lord. 2H.
It is not with the
2H, my lord, has seen right below that, my lord, is of that act. Meaning thereby, my lord, that the courses that may be offered by a university for the purposes of any, upon completion of any course of prescribed duration, my lord, in that event, AICT approval is not required. Now, so far as the University Grants Commission Act, my lord, which establishes so far as diploma course, my lord, is concerned,
yours.
that is my
Diploma is exclusively in
2H, my lord, to mean that anything above graduation, what I am submitting here, my lord, PG diploma courses, that is as this case is concerned, for once, if my lord may kindly be pleased, not confer, my lord, anything by the description of a diploma. I'll just place that, my lord.
in this association of management by the Supreme Court.
My lord.
Whether the college is affiliated to university come within the purview of exclusion of the definition of technical institution as universities. Further, whether the now the present case is relating to MC. That is insofar as whether draft rules is required to be prepared or not.
Not the prevent practice of
Don't say practice and all. We are dealing with the question of law. No practice and all. Have you issued a draft rules inviting objection and suggestions?
no.
If it is not done, we will set aside. We will treat this rule 2014,
2015
2017 rules.
amended in 2017.
What are
Amended in 2017.
2014 rules, we will treat this as a draft rules. Asking the petitioner and others who are likely to be affected to file their objection and suggestion. And you also, you have to notify in the official gazette, inviting objection and suggestion, give 3 months, and thereafter you finalize it after due consideration of objection and suggestion, and finalize it. It will go to the root of the matter.
Yes, my lord.
When are you getting instruction?
Day after tomorrow.
Huh?
Day after tomorrow.
All right. Heard the matter at length. Land Council for the state is hereby directed to get a positive instruction by means of an affidavit of the first respondent as to whether before issuing rules called Bihar Water Resources Department Subordinate Engineering within bracket Civil Cadre Recruitment within bracket Amendment Rules 2017. Draft rules is required to be notified, inviting objection / suggestion from such of those persons whose rights are likely to be affected or not. Such issuance of draft rules is mandatory or not. These rules are issued under which directly under Article 309?
My lord, yes. 2014 itself, my lord, the rules were notified laying down the eligibility criteria, educational qualifications, everything.
Whatever it may be.
And then the advertisement was issued, my lord. They participated in the process of selection. Once they were, my lord,
Stage we are already
my lord, of course.
over.
My lord.
As questioned.
My lord.
Affidavit shall be filed instead of hearing. Release this matter next week. In the meanwhile, you both of you go through the 2013 8 ACC,
Yes, yes. We have taken.
appellant and respondent.
I'll also,
Throw some light.
yes, I will also,
Of section 2H,
I'll,
HI.
I will also bring on,
Also, they have amended the incorporating MCA as the qualification.
I'll also bring, my lord, on record UGC regulation which provides diploma in universities. I'll also bring.
My lord, this is our case that it is PG diploma. It is not anything below graduation, my lord.
All right. You have a chance of.
My lord, yes. That list we have already brought on record, my lord. I'm trying to get a copy of the regulations of AICD.
If he's accepted, no undergraduate course of university. If his argument is accepted, then no undergraduate course of university will be allowed to operate.
My lord, UGC itself says that it does not have powers to regulate the courses below graduation, my lord. That we have brought on record.
But at the same time, university is approved by whatever the action taken by the UGC.
My lord.
University, it is approved by UGC.
My lord.
UGC is a parallel institution to AICTE.
My lord, yes. Now, for the purposes of diploma courses, my lord, the universities can confer degrees only if UGC has approved it by way of its notification. That we have brought on record. It is an official gazette. 23(5), my lord.
But when AICTE is, they are agreeing,
My lord is taking a.
they are agreeing. Huh?
They are only to the point, my lord, that where university recognizes they don't have a role to play in case of Bharti Dasan's case. In my lord, in light of the judgment of Bharti Dasan's case, they are not examining that aspect of the matter, my lord, that so far as diploma courses are concerned, they are conferred upon completion of matric, that is 10th. It is only in respect of diploma or any degree or qualification which is conferred by universities post-graduation, my lord, or
He
graduation.
himself is a diploma holder.
I am opposing because I am approved by AICTE, not by a university.
No, that is the reason. Pick and choose the method is adopted by AICTE. For some institution, we are giving approval. For some institution, we are not giving.
My lord, It is, my lord, uniform for one and all. If it is approved by AICTE, we are government polytechnics, my lord. We have due approval of AICTE, my lord, and then we have completed these courses.
So all these diploma,
This is not valid.
it is to be thrown.
These are not valid for the reason, my lord, that these universities, in terms of the UGC Act and the regulations of University Grants Commission, my lord, such qualifications could not be conferred by the universities.
No, if your argument is accepted,
My lord.
such of those university who have issued diploma certificate, that is
That
thrown,
is invalid, my lord.
that is thrown to be dustbin.
It may not be thrown, my lord. It may be
Then,
kept, but it is not
just
valid. It need not be thrown, my lord, but it is not valid for the purpose of these appointments.
Sorry to
I'll
say-
demonstrate that, my lord.
Very specious argument.
It is, my lord, it is strictly in accordance with section 23(5) of the UGC Act, which confers upon the commission, my lord, the powers to frame.
Article 254 has been dealt
Dealt
with
with-
apex court in 2013 decision.
Yes.
Just go through that decision also.
We will.
Article 254 is not applicable in the present case. That is what they have rendered.
Of like,
10 minutes. And it is latest.
ज्यादा दे देंगे ठीक है समझ
You are generous, just to publication and. My lord, in compliance of my lord order, may I permitted to file counter affidavit?
Counter affidavit.
Copy of the counter affidavit served to me in the court, my lord present.
Next year.
Today, my lord.
Correct. We'll take up this matter next year. Because you have to go through the counter affidavit, no?